Alright, this is part 12 of the Tamiya Lunch Box mini kit build, and today we're going to be working on steps 36 and 37 if you're using a small lipo. I'm going to be using the battery carrier, and then step 38, which is to do a little bit of cable management and connecting the ESC to the motor. So let's start. And we're going to do this first, which is going to be the battery cover. So we're going to need two of these tailpipe things, and that's going to be C4. And we're just going to connect these onto here like that with another of these BA2 screws. Okay, and this is done, and we're going to slide this battery case into here like that, and we're going to put that on like that, and we're going to use two of these large snap pins and stick those through here and over here, and we're done with that. So for my situation, I'm not using a Tamiya ESC. I'm using this Hobbywing 1060 with a T connector, so I'm going to use an adapter. There is normally an adapter that doesn't have this lead, so it's a little bit shorter, a little bit neater. But this is what I have right now, so that's going to be that. And I'm going to connect these motor wires together. Okay, and then now I'm going to do a little bit of cable management with what I have. I want to be able to remove this, so I'm not going to put any zip ties on this end. I will try to make this a little bit neater though. So I think something like this would be fine. And I think we have 3 more zip ties left. I think I'm only going to use 2. Yeah, it looks a little bit messy, but I think as long as everything's out of the way, it should work just fine. And so I think I'm done with this video. In the next one, we're going to be trimming the body, and that's going to be interesting. We're going to first trim out the body, peel off the protection film, and then we'll start on the decals, and then finally put on the magnetic catches for the body. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.